Hello everyone, my name is Srivastavagyanalaya.
Hello everyone, my name is Srivastavagyanalaya.
Welcome to our channel Srivastavagyanalaya.
Hope you have seen our introduction video.
So how's the animation? Do you like it? Isn't this amazing? You can create animations or stories with your own voice. So let's see how we can create this animation.
For creating such type of animation, I want my sprite, so I can just delete the scratch cat from here. So now let's take our sprite, like I am taking Abby, our first sprite, and our second sprite is D. I can take it from people. We can customize it from here. We can change the color of the t-shirts and hairs from here. Now we have to change the background. We can take the background from our desktop also. Here it is. We have to adjust the background. It is done. We can also flip it right, left, up, down. Now we have to take the codes. First from events we have to take when green flag clicked. Then from looks we have to take show. Now from control we have to take wait 1 second. Now we have to record the sound. Like I am recording. Go to record button and then start the recording. Like I am recording. Hello everyone, my name is Srivastavagyanalaya. I have done it. Make sure you do not have to cut it. Now go to sounds and take start sound from number. Now we have to go to looks and here see. It's done. Now we have to take. Now again we have to go to controls and take wait 2 seconds. Then we have to go to looks. Take switch custom to Abby A. Again we have to go to controls and now again wait 2 seconds. Now again on looks. Actually now we have to go to sounds and record our second sound. Same step. Welcome to our channel Srivastavagyanalaya. Like I have done. Welcome to our channel Srivastavagyanalaya. It's ready. Save it. And it's done. Again go to sounds. Start sound from 1 or 2. Go to looks. again go to controls, looks, switch custom to Abigail. Our first sprite code is done. Now let's go to our second sprite. Now we have to go to events. We have to take when green flag clicked. Then we have to go to looks. We have to take show. Again we have to go to controls. This 3.5. Now we have to record sounds. I have recorded these two sounds which I wanted to add in my video. Go to sounds. Start sound Shivam 1. Start sound Shivam 1. I wanted this, so I have added this. Now go on looks and say hello everyone and type hello everyone. Shivam Srivastava. It's ready. Put it here. Now we have to go to controls. Again we have to take wait 3.5 seconds like this. Then again go to sounds. Take start Shivam 2. Start sound Shivam 2. Looks. Done. Put it here. Our project is done. Now let's see our project. So now let's see our program. It's ready.
Hello everyone, my name is Suvana Srivastava. Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Srivastava.
Welcome to our channel Srivastavagyanalaya.
Hope you have seen our introduction video.
As you can all see, this codes, by these help of codes I have made my project. That's for today. We will learn some more animations in our next video. Thanks for watching.